SUBTOTAL function returns the subtotal in a list or database. In function num argument specifies the code values. By specifying the code values in this argument, function will use the corresponding function to subtotal the values from the list. If you use code from 1 to 11, function will include hidden row values. If you use code from 101 to 111, function will include hidden row values. Function will not count hidden row values. Currently, there is no hidden row. Function will count all visible values. Select this cell reference. Press tab key. In reference 1 argument, select the cell reference range for which you want the subtotal. You can add up to 254 cell references range. Select this cell reference range. You have selected 103 code value. Its corresponding function is countA function. You know this function counts number of cells that contains text values. Subtotal function returns 6 in this cell. Because there are 6 text values in this cell references range. Click OK. Active this cell. Press delete key. Now I hide any row. Click on this row. Right click. Click hide. Now active this cell. Click subtotal function. In function num box, select this code. Press tab key. In reference 1 box, select the cell references range. In the list, there are 5 visible values, but subtotal function returns 6 because you have selected code 3. In function num box, this code includes hidden row values. Press backspace key. In function num box, select this code. Press tab key. Select the cell references range. Function returns 5 by specifying code 103 code. Subtotal function excludes hidden row values. Click OK. Click filter button. Uncheck this box. Click OK. Function changes value from 5 to 4. There are only 4 visible values. It excludes hidden row values. If you use code 3 in function num argument, function will not include filter out cell values. Subtotal function does not include filtered out cells values. Even you use code from 1 to 11. Now active this cell. Click filter button. Check this box. Click OK. To calculate total salary, click subtotal function. Scroll down. Click subtotal function. In function num arguments, select this code. Press tab key. Select the cell references range. Sum function calculates the values from the list and subtotal function returns 89,000 total salary. If you select code 9 in function num argument, function returns the same result. This time it does not count the hidden row values. Press backspace key. Select code number 9. You have same result. Click OK. Click filter button. Check this box. Click OK. All cells are visible and function returns the result greater than 89,000. If you hide any row, Click this row, right click, click hide. It returns the same result. Active this cell, click in formula bar, press backspace key, select the code 109, press enter. Function returns 87,000. It excludes hidden row values. Click Math and Trigonometric arrow button, scroll down, click SUBTOTAL function. To calculate average value of salary, select this code. Press tab key, select the cell references range. You have average of salary. Press backspace key, select the code 101. You have different result because function excludes one value from the row. Click OK. In this way, subtotal function is used in an Excel worksheet.